Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Did you know that you can make a side income by just copying and pasting images? Yes, that's right. You can create yourself an extra source of income by just copying and pasting other people's images. You don't need a camera. You don't need any special photography skills. All you have to do is simply copy images that belong to other people and make yourself some $300–400 by pasting them. And I guarantee you to earn a ton of money if you watch this video from the start until the end. By doing so, I will be teaching you everything step by step for free. This is going to be a very simple method that you will love. Keep in mind that this method is completely free and can be done worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you come from because you can make money on this website as well. Before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips and tricks. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you have any questions or opinions about the video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them, I can immediately answer. So, let's get started with the video. Would you believe that a simple image like this can make you $300? And this too can make you extra $300, and the money keeps piling without any limitation. Now you may be asking, but I don't have a camera. That shouldn't worry you because you don't need a photographer and you do not need to have a camera. You simply go online and copy someone else's photos and paste them and then get paid with a website which I'm going to share with you in this video. So make sure to keep watching. So now I want you to go over to this website which is called Canva.com. Canva.com is an amazing free graphic design online software that gives you access of over 50,000 free templates that you can use to create designs. This software will not limit you. It gives you access to endless designs and templates. It has multiple design graphic templates which you can use to design different things. For example, videos, Facebook posts, stories, logos, and so on. So now, this software has thousands and thousands of free templates that you can use. But if you want to go ahead and create more professional looking designs, there is a paid version. I put a link in the description where you can go and join Canva. So make sure to click on that link. Now, first step will be creating an account with Canva. Just click on the sign up button here and it will bring you to this page where you can go ahead and create an account. As you can see here, you can even create your account with your Google account or Facebook. Click here and it will take you to this page. So now, put your name, your email address, and your password. Then click here where it says Get Started. Once your account is created, you can go ahead and select the picture you wish to use, and you can go ahead and customize the image templates that you like. For example, if you want to add text, go ahead and add texts. You can change the font style, font color, size, and so on. This software allows you to do many things with your designs. You can even change the background image by choosing a different photo, or you can upload your own different image to use in your designs. So let's say, for example, we want to create Instagram story. Now we can go ahead and choose from the templates which are already available. Let's say we want to choose this one right here. Now you can go ahead and customize it. Once everything is done, you can go ahead and download it by simply clicking on this button. So guys, leave a comment down below. Just write my favorite graphic editing software is blank. So with this software, you can create as many images as possible and download them and save them. So now that we have our images, the next step is now to make money using these free images. Let's now look at the next platform that can help us to make money using the images we created in just 1 minute for free. This platform is called 99designs.com, and it's the marketplace for all your professional designs. If you scroll down, you can see that this site has many people ready to buy and sell different graphic designs. Also on this platform, you will get to notice different contests on the bottom of the page. Now, if you scroll down the page, you will see many new options available. However, in our case, we are interested in contests. So we can go over here where it says design contests. And once you click on that, it will bring it to this page. And here you can see all of the designs and all of these different contests that are running for designs. For example, this image here, they are paying $300 for a simple logo design, and you can sample below and realize it. It is amazing how easy it is to make money with this strategy. Now to get started, go over to 99 Designs, click Get Started button right here. It will then bring you to this page. Scroll down and click here where it says Become a Designer and then Apply Now. And sign up as a designer. They will ask you some questions, so go ahead and answer them. Now, once you have an account, you can enter those contests and they will pay you for your designs. All you have to do is to choose a contest that you like, then read the description to get a clear picture of what the client wants. Take a look at this right here. Amazing. And you can also do the similar thing and earn money online. So how do you increase your chances of winning? Well, you get an upper hand of winning by checking out as many contests as possible and submitting designs for the contests every day. It is simple, it is easy, and it will make you some good money for free. So guys, go ahead and use this method and start making money online from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you are. This method is completely free and you do not need any experience. So that's pretty much it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you gained any value from the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up.